Now, this illustration deals with ungrounded luminaires in accordance with NEC 410.44, Exception 2. Now, notice the note states that since this is not the 2002 NEC or earlier editions, the term luminaire was not used. A fixture was used. But then it was changed to luminaire to be more in sync globally. So when we review the figure loop, it also says, look at figure 11-1 for grounding requirements. Then the NEC loops looks at the 1971 NEC 410-93 exception, and it talks about ungrounded fixtures. If we review the 75 NEC and additions after that, notice 410-18 A and B dealt with grounded fixtures. So you can see that in past codes from 1971 and back, there were times when two-wire systems were run without an equipment ground and fixtures were installed. So this is the predicament that puts electricians in today when they're replacing lighting fixtures that are on a system that doesn't have an equipment ground routed with the ungrounded conductors. So these figure 11-1 and 11-2 deals with such a condition. So be sure that you understand the figures 11-1 and 11-2 about when is a fixture called a luminaire, by which code, and it's there in the illustration. And then when we're lighting fixtures, identified as lighting fixtures, were not provided with an equipment ground. These two figures, 11-1 and 11-2, gives a lot of help along with the text to understand why we're in this situation when we're dealing with existing type dwelling units and sometimes even existing small commercial office buildings.